So look, we have DevOps, we have AIOps, we have DataOps, and I don't have time to go through all of these, but I do recommend, if you're watching this, to go to the BMC Connect23 in your city. But I'm right now with Tyrone Peters, and he's going to show me something really cool with the Rubik's Cube, so go for it.
Yeah, sure. So what we're trying to actually show here is how, services are complicated, just like Rubik's Cube, and BMC, we can actually help you monitor and maintain and make your services more resilient. So let's take a look at this. Too easy.
Very cool.
BMC connecting
Very
your
cool.
city.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good.